Today discuss definite integral LAQ. You are given question, evaluate integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, now start the solution. Solution here given integration 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, first let here x equals tan theta, x equal tan theta. Now differentiating on both sides, x derivative we know that is a dx, tan theta derivative is secant square theta d theta. Next consider 1 plus x square is equal to 1 plus x value is tan theta is tan square theta, so is 1 plus x square is secant square theta is the denominator of given integral. Okay, now transform the limits. First limits, okay, is upper limit if x equal to 1, then implies tan theta equal to 1, tan theta equal to x. Okay, then we get theta value is, we know that tan 45, so theta angle theta equal to 45 pi by 4, same as is a lower limit if x equal to 0, then implies tan theta is equal to x is equal to 0, then implies theta equal to 0 is the lower limit. Okay, next given integral is integration 0 to 1 is log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, now we are above value integration 0 to 1 value, 1 is pi by 4, the upper limit is log of 1 plus tan theta by 1 plus x square, we know that secant square theta, here secant square theta into dx value is secant square theta into d theta, here secant square theta cancel, then we get is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 is log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. Let's suppose is equal to I is equation number 1. Now we are applying King's rule, is integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, now equation number 1 gives is I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 limits is a log of 1 plus tan theta, theta is replaced by pi by 4 minus theta is a is x, a minus x, so right here pi by 4 minus theta into d theta. Okay, is I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 is log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, right here is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Now is I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 is log of, take LCM, 1 plus tan theta into 1 is 1 plus tan theta, here plus is as it is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta into d theta, here minus tan theta plus tan theta cancel, is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4. 1 plus 1 is 2, log of 2 by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Now is in the form is log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, so is I equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 is log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Okay, let's suppose this equation number 2. Okay, now add equation number 1 and 2. I plus I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 is a common integral. Now first equation is log of 1 plus tan theta plus log 2 minus of log of 1 plus tan theta from second equation. Here minus log of 1 plus tan theta plus log of 1 plus tan theta both are cancelled, then we get in right side 2i is equal to, okay, here log 2 is constant, right here log 2 into integration 0 to pi by 4 1 into d theta is equal to log 2 into integration 1 d theta with respect to theta we get theta. Here limits are 0 to pi by 4 is 2i is equal to log 2 into first right upper limit is pi by 4 minus lower limit is 0 is equal to pi by 4 into log 2. Okay, then write I value is I equal to pi by 2 4s are 8 into log 2 base e. Okay, now write I value is integration 0 to 1 is log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx is equal to pi by 8 into log 2 base e. Definite integral LAQs show that integration 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx is equal to 1 by 20. Right, start the solution. Let sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Okay, now differentiating on both sides then is implies sin x derivative we know that is cos x. Here cos x derivative is minus sin x, minus into minus plus sin x into dx is equal to dt, and consider sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Now squaring on both sides then is implies sin x minus cos x whole square is equal to t square. Okay, in left side a minus b whole square form, so sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x into cos x is equal to t square. We know that sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Identity is 1 minus is 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to t square. Now write sin 2x value is equal to 1 minus t square. Now limits, lower limit first. If your given lower limit is 0 is x value. If x equal to 0 then write t value is a t equal to sin 0 minus cos 0 is equal to 0 minus 1, then we get lower limit t value is minus 1. Okay, same as upper limit. If x equals pi by 4 then t equal to sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4, both are equal values. We know that 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, then we get t value is 0. Okay, here upper limit is t equal to 0 and lower limit is minus 1, t equal to minus 1. Now consider given integral cos x plus sin x dx is equal to dt. and sine 2x equal to 1 minus t square, lower limit and upper limit. These four values substitute here. Then we get is integration is minus 1 to 0. Sin x plus cos x dx is equal to, we know that is a dt, by 9 plus 16 into sin 2x value is 1 minus t square is equal to integration minus 1 to 0, 1 by 9 plus 16 minus 16 t square dt, okay, is equal to integration minus 1 to 0, 1 by 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 minus 16 into t square dt. Now 16 is 1 by 16 into integration minus 1 to 0, 1 by 25 by 16 minus t square dt. So is equal to 1 by 16 into integration minus 1 to 0, 1 by 25 by 16, right, is a 5 by 4 whole square minus t square dt. Now apply formula is integration 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Okay, right here is equal to 1 by 16 into 1 by 2a, 2 into a value here 5 by 4 log of mod 5 by 4 minus t plus t, sorry, 5 by 4 plus t by 5 by 4 minus t. Okay, limits here minus 1 to 0, 4 ones are 4 fours are, then we get is a 1 by 4 twos are 8, 8 fives are is 40 into is log of 4, take common, take LCM, 4 is the LCM in numerator and denominator, then we get here 4 plus here 5 plus 4t by 5 minus 4t. Okay, here denominators 4 cancel, limits minus 1 to 0. Now substitute limits, upper limit is the first. Now write limits is equal to 1 by 40 into, first substitute upper limit is 0. So is log of 4, t value is 0. So we get here 5 by 5 minus is log of, right, minus 1 is a 5 minus 4 by 5 minus into minus plus 4, here is equal to 5 cancel, log 1 equal to 0 minus is log of 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by 40 into log 9, okay, is equal to 1 by 40 into log of 3 square. Okay, now here is log a power n is equal to n into log a base e. Okay, apply logarithm form. So is equal to 2 by 40 into log 3 base e. So 2 ones are 2 20s are, then we get 1 by 20 into log 3 base e. Here given question, evaluate integration 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x is the first question. The second one is evaluate integration 0 to pi x sin x cube by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, now first given integral is integration 0 to pi x into sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, first let I equals given integral is to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Let's suppose is equation number 1. Okay, now apply King's rule. King's rule is, that is, integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, so now equation number 1 gives is I equal to integration 0 to, here a value is pi, 0 to pi, here x is, here x replaced by a minus x, so a value is equal to pi, so x replaced pi minus x in above, so right here pi minus x into sine of pi minus x by 1 plus cos of pi minus x whole square dx. Okay, now is equal to integration 0 to pi minus x into sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta, so we get here sine x by denominator value is 1 plus cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta whole square is plus cos square x dx. Okay, let is equation number 2. Now add equation number 1 and 2, then we get left side is of I plus I is equal to integration 0 to pi is a common term in both equations. Okay, here integration 0 to pi, here integration 0 to pi, so right here integration 0 to pi, and denominator of both equations is same, so is LCM is 1 plus cos square x. Okay, here 1 plus cos square x, here also 1 plus cos square x, but numerator value in first equation is x sin x plus in second equation pi minus x into sin x dx is equal to I plus I is 2I is integration 0 to pi x sin x plus pi into sin x minus x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, here minus x sin x plus x sin x cancel, so it's a 2I equal to pi is constant right here, is a 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, here cos x is equal to t. Now differentiating on both sides we get is a sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay, now write sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Okay, now transform limits is upper limit. Okay, if x equals pi, then we get t value t equal to cos x, so cos pi value is minus 1 is upper limit, and lower limit is if x equal to 0, here x equal to 0, then implies t equal to cos 0 value we know that is 1, so t equal to 1 is the lower limit. Okay, right here is equal to pi into integration 1 to minus 1 x sin x dx is equal to minus dt by 1 plus cos x value we suppose that is t, so is t square. Okay, next is equal to, is integration is a minus 1 to 1 limits okay, from minus 1 to 1, so here sign is changed plus dt by 1 plus t square. We know that is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse of x plus c. Okay, apply here is equal to pi into tan inverse of t, where t values limits minus 1 to 1. Okay, is 2i equals, okay, is equal to pi into tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of minus 1. Okay, next 2i equals pi into tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of minus 1. Okay, we know that tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4 and tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to minus pi by 4. Okay, both values substitute here is a pi into pi by 4 minus into minus plus pi by 4, so is equal to pi into 45 plus 45 is 90, that is pi by 2 is 2i equal to 2i equal to pi into pi by 2, then is I equal to pi into pi is pi square, 2 2s are 4, so I equal to pi square by 4, that is given integral is I 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx, it is equal to pi square by 4 is the answer. Now second question, evaluate integration 0 to pi x sin x cube by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, now second one, let's I equals integration 0 to pi x sin x cube by 1 plus cos square x dx. Let is equation number 1. Okay, now apply integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, where a equal to pi in above equation. Okay, so is equation number 1 is implies is integration 0 to pi, x is replaced pi minus x. Okay, sin 180 minus theta, then we get sin x again, so we get here sin x cube by 1 plus cos 180 minus theta is cos x minus cos theta, but here square term, so minus cos x whole square is plus cos x square dx. Okay, let is equation number 2. Now add equation number 1 and 2, equation number 2, then we get in left side I plus I is 2i is equal to integration 0 to pi is common in both equations, so in denominator of both equations are same, so we get here LCM is 1 plus cos square x. Okay, in numerator is a sin x cube is common term. Okay, in first equation x plus in second equation pi minus x dx, here minus x plus x is cancelled, then we get is a pi is constant is integration 0 to pi sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay, next is 2i equals pi into integration 0 to pi sin cube x, right, sin square x into sin x by denominator 1 plus cos square x dx is equal to pi into integration 0 to pi sin square x, we know that 1 minus cos square x from identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, then implies sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So here 1 minus cos square x into sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. let cos x is equal to t. Now differentiating on both sides, then we get minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now write sin x dx equal to minus dt, and limits if x equal to 0, then implies t equal to cos 0, so implies t equal to 1 is lower limit. If upper limit of x is equal to pi, then we get t value is cos pi is implies t equals minus 1. Okay, this cos x equal to t and sin x dx equal to minus dt, and upper limit and lower limits, okay, both are substituted in above integration. So is equal to pi into integration 0 replaced is 1 to minus 1 minus t square into minus dt, okay, by 1 plus t square, okay, is equal to pi into integration 1 to minus 1. Here multiply with minus, so we get is a t square minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Now is integrate pi into integration 1 to minus 1. Denominator term is 1 plus t square. In numerator is a t square add plus 1 and minus 1, okay, minus 1 remaining minus 1 dt, okay. These two values add here, plus 1 minus 1 value cannot be changed, is equal to pi into integration 1 to minus 1, okay. So is t square plus 1 by denominator 1 plus t square minus 1 is 2 into 1 by 1 plus t square into dt, okay. Here both values are cancelled, is equal to pi into integration 1 to minus 1 dt minus 2 into integration 1 to minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt, okay, is equal to pi into 2i equals pi into integration 1 dt is t, okay. Limits 1 to minus 1 minus 2 into integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is equals tan inverse of t, limits 1 to minus 1, okay. Now apply limits, the pi into first right upper limit is a minus 1, okay. Next minus 2 into tan inverse of minus 1 minus tan inverse of 1, so is equal to pi into minus 1 is minus 2 of is pi by 4, minus pi by 4 and minus pi by 4, okay, is equal to pi into minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2, okay. Here 2 to cancel, then we get is a pi into pi minus 2 is 2i equals, then write I equals, what is I is integration, given integration 0 to pi x sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx is equal to pi by 2 into pi minus 2. Answer. Definite integration LAQ show that integration 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x dx is equal to pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1, okay. Now start the solution. First let is I equals integration 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x dx. Let is equation number 1. Once again you are given LHS integration 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x dx, okay. Suppose that I equals Okay, let equation number 1. Now apply King's rule is integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So equation number 1 gives as I equals integration 0 to pi by 2. Here x replaced by a minus x, that is pi by 2 minus x. So write x value is pi by 2 minus x by sin 90 minus theta is cos theta cos x plus sin 90 minus x cos 90 minus x is sin x dx. Let's suppose second equation number 2. Now add equation number 1 and 2, equation number 2, then we get in left side I plus I is 2I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. Okay, denominator of both equations is same, so is LCM is sin x plus cos x. In numerator in first equation x, in second equation is pi by 2 minus x dx. Here minus x plus x cancel, then 2I equal to here pi by 2 is constant, right? Here is integration 0 to pi by 2 1 by sin x plus cos x dx. Now here let tan x by 2 is equal to t, then implies we know that sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, and cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and dx equals 2 dt by 1 plus t square. This value is substitute in above limits. Here upper limit if x equals to pi by 2, then implies t equal to tan x by 2, that is pi by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, now lower limits if x equals to 0, here lower limit is 0, then t value t equal to tan x by 2, tan 0 by 2 is tan 0, is t value is 0 is the lower limit. Here t equal to 1 is the upper limit. Now this value substitute here, tan x by 2 equal to t, then we get sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square, and cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and limits t equal to 1 and t equal to 0. This all values substitute in above integral, then we get is equal to integration 0 to 1 by sin x value is 2t by 1 plus t square plus 1 minus t square cos x value by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Here 1 plus t square is LCM. Here is integration 0 to 1 by 2t plus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Here 1 plus t square cancel, then we get integration 0 to 1 2 dt by minus t square plus 2t plus 1 is 2I equals, okay, on both sides 2 cancel, then we get is I equal to integration 0 to 1 by, okay, take common, minus is t square minus 2t minus 1 into dt, okay, is equal to integration minus 0 to integration 0 to 1 by minus of t square minus 2t Here add plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 remaining minus 1 here minus 1 into dt. Okay, add here plus 1 minus 1. So is I equals integration 0 to 1 1 by, okay, from t square to plus 1 t square minus 2t plus 1 is equal to minus of t minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 is minus 2 is minus 2 dt is equal to integration 0 to 1 1 by, here multiply with minus, so minus into minus plus 2, okay, is right root 2 whole square minus of t minus 1 whole square dt. Now is in the form integration 1 by a square minus x square dx, okay, is equal to 1 by 2a into log of mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Okay, apply here. Now is equal to here pi by 2 value. Okay, here also write pi by 2 pi by 2 pi by 2 and pi by 2. Okay, now continuation pi by 2. Okay, apply formula is pi by 2 into 1 by 2a 2 root 2 into log of mod root 2 plus t minus 1 by root 2 minus of t minus 1 is minus t plus 1. Okay, limits 0 to 1. Okay, is I equal to pi by 2 to the 4 root 2 here. Okay, here apply upper limit first is log of root 2 plus 1 minus 1, substitute t value plus 1 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 plus 1. Now write lower limit is log of mod root 2 plus 0 minus 1, that is minus 1, by root 2 minus 0 plus 1 is root 2 plus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, and root 2 also cancel, is equal to 1. Okay, so is equal to pi by 4 root 2 into log 1. Log 1 value we know that 0. Okay, right here plus is log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Okay, here write reciprocal, so sign changes as plus. Okay, is equal to pi by 4 root 2 into log 1 is 0 is log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Here rationalize denominator, so here multiply divided by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Okay, is equal to pi by 4 root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1 whole square by a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square is 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so is equal to 2 pi by 4 root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are, then we get is I equal to pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 is equal to RHS. Okay, so hence proved. Evaluate integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x. Okay, here given integral minus pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. Okay, let's I equals integration minus pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx. let is equation number 1. Now apply integration a to b f of x dx is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So equation number 1 gives is I equal to integration minus pi by 2 okay, so is cos of pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus x in numerator, in a denominator 1 plus e power pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus x dx. Here pi by 2 plus pi by 2 cancel, here also cancel, is equal to integration minus pi by 2 cos of minus theta is cos theta, so cos x by 1 plus e power minus x dx. So is equal to I equals integration minus pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power minus x dx is equal to integration minus pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power minus x, right, 1 by e power x dx. Okay, so is I equals integration minus pi by 2 cos x into e power x by 1 plus e power x dx. Suppose is equation number 2. Okay, now add equation number 1 and equation number 2, then we get I plus I is 2I equal to integration minus pi by 2. Okay, denominator of both equations the same, that is 1 plus e power x, and from equation number 1 is a cos x. Okay, cos x, here also cos x, so cos x is common term, so cos x of 1 plus e power x dx, here 1 plus e power x is cancel, is equal to, implies 2I equals integration minus pi by 2 cos x dx. Now integration of cos x is sin x limits minus pi by 2. Now apply limits is sin pi by 2 minus of sin of minus pi by 2. Okay, right, sin pi by 2 value minus sin of minus theta minus sin theta, here minus into minus plus sin 90 is also 1, so is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2I equal to 2, on both sides 2 cancel, then implies I is the given integral, it is equal to 1.